Hi everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Bukumi, and on this channel I talk about everything passive income, side businesses, how to get started, and all that great stuff. So if you're new here and if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please turn on the bell notification just beside it, and please give this video a thumbs up if you eventually find value in it. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking to you about 4 different passive income streams that I think you can get started with as soon as ASAP, as soon as now. So if you're like me and you like to have multiple streams of income and you like to have passive income streams and you don't know how to set it up, or you've not figured out how to set one up, I'm going to be talking to you about that in this video. I'm going to be walking you through, showing you, telling you how to get it set up. And I'm going to be talking to you about 4 specific different types of passive income stream. There are actually a lot of passive income streams that you can actually have set up, but in this particular video I'm going to be touching on only 4. I'm going to be touching on 4 that I know and I feel like anybody and everybody can actually get started with as soon as now. So if that is something that would interest you, make sure you stay with me to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you and giving you a resource that will help you even get started faster. So here are the 4 passive income streams that you can actually have set up as soon as possible. The first one is you can decide to write an ebook. So if someone has ever said to you, oh, can I pick your brain on something, or oh, can you show me how to do something, or can you tell me how you do these things, this is just a pointer to let you know that you need to write an ebook. You need to put a PDF guide together and put it and offer it for sale. So when you write an ebook, it's just you putting your knowledge out in form of PDFs, in form of an ebook. You put it out using a tool, a free tool called Canva. You can use Canva to write your ebook. You can use Canva to put your ebook together, and you can put it out for sale. So say you are a baker and you have recipes that are really good, and you know a lot of people have said to you, I love your recipe, how do you make this? How do you make your red velvet cake? How do you make your cheesecake? That is an indication for you to know that it is time for you to write an ebook. So just put that knowledge into an ebook, write it down in an ebook. Like I said, using a tool called Canva. Canva is a free tool. You can find it on the Play Store or the iOS store. It's a free tool. You can use Canva to write your ebook and put it together. Download it in a form of PDF and put it out for sale. The second passive income stream you can set up as soon as now is you can put together an online course. So say you want to take your ebook a step further and you want to show people how to make the red velvet cake, for example, or you want to show people how you start an online business, or how to start a cleaning business, how to start a salon business, whatever it is that people have asked you to show them how to do, you, instead of just leaving it at the ebook level, you can take it one step further and decide to put it into an online course. So you can record yourself just with your phone and just record yourself showing people, telling people, explaining to people how to start that thing or do that thing that you do, and you package it together, put it together in form of an online course and put it out for sale. The different tools that can help you do that. So you can go on Google and search an online course platform. The different online course platforms that you can use to host your online course. A free example that I would recommend is called Gumroad. Gumroad is a free tool for you to use to host your online course. You can host your online course on Gumroad, and you have the ability to attach a payment gateway where people pay you to have access to that course. So if you have something in you that you love to share with the world, that you think you can actually share with people, you can monetize it by creating an ebook and creating an online course. The third one that I know that you can actually get started with as soon as possible is you can decide to create a subscription or a membership. A subscription model is where you put a particular item or a particular service on a monthly or a yearly retainership. So say you offer a service to a certain set of people, but instead of charging them a one-off fee, you decide to charge them for it monthly. And I'll take an example from, if you are a baker, for example, instead of just creating your course and selling it one time, you decide to create it into a subscription or a membership where you churn out content to a certain audience that are interested in what you're teaching, and you churn out the content to them every month or every week, and they pay you month in, month out. So that is actually a very good way to have recurring income coming into your business every month. So you can decide to package your knowledge in form of a subscription or in form of a membership. And another example that I want to give is, if you're a baker, I would also use the example of a baker. You can decide to package your baked goods in a subscription box, and your customers are able to get it every time they want it on a subscription. So say you charge them every month to be able to get a particular box of treats that you put together. That's a subscription box. So you can think about whatever it is that you do, whatever it is that you know you're good at, and you can package it in form of a subscription and put it in front of your audience, and they are able to buy from you, and you're able to get that monthly income coming in. Does that excite you? The fourth one I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually a model where you do not even own any product. So say you just don't think you have the time to write an ebook, or you don't want to create an online course, or you just don't want to create a product. You can actually go out there and pick someone else's product, and you get a link for that product. And when you share it with other people and they buy from you using your link, you get a commission. There are lots of people making money, huge money, doing this business model, doing affiliate marketing. It's huge. And most of these big brands, they have affiliate programs for their businesses. Amazon has an affiliate program. Most of these big companies have affiliate program where when you refer somebody to their platform or to their business, then you earn a commission when they make a sale, when the person buys. That's another business model, and that's something that actually doesn't cost you anything to get started. So those are four passive income streams that I know that works today, and I know you can actually get started with. I would love to go into details walking you through how to get started on these business models. If that interests you, if you think you want me to show you how to write an ebook, how to put an ebook together on Canva, how to create a subscription box, how to start affiliate marketing, drop me a comment below. Let me know if you're interested in that, and I'm going to create the videos for each of these passive income streams that I just talked about in this video. So yeah, thank you so much again, guys, for staying with me to the end of this video. You can always find me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram. My link is going to be in the description below. Find me on Instagram and connect with me on Instagram. I would love to connect with you. Drop me a comment if you have any concerns or you have any questions for me. I'll try as much as possible to respond to you. And if you're thinking of starting any of these businesses and you don't know how to get started, just drop me a comment below and I'll see how I can help you with that. Remember, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification just beside it. And please give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.